appreciate you doing this.
No, absolutely.
Okay.
So basically, from what I recall, and correct me if I'm wrong on any of this, but basically a deer was hit on the front in this area right here, and from what I remember, the bumper was cracked right here, and then the weight of the deer had actually landed on the hood right here as well, and had creased the hood as well. So from what we did, we replaced the hood, replaced the bumper, obviously both with new OEM Porsche parts, and then blended both fenders, and that's just to ensure 100% paint match and make sure that there's undetectable repair, so nobody will ever be able to look at it and have any idea that there's been any paint work or anything like that.
So you didn't bang out the hood. You put a
correct.
whole
It's
new
a
hood.
new hood, new bumper.
New
correct.
bumper. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yep.
All right.
And then there was probably some various small, like maybe trim parts or something like that may be one-time use for Porsche or something like that on the bumper that were replaced. But
okay.
yeah.
And so then,
correct.
as far as the hood, I guess it's an unpainted hood when you get it, so you
Correct.
have to spray it. So then you
Yes.
blend it so that, of course, white is probably not.
Correct.
That's one of the better colors to work with.
Yeah, it is. The thing with white too is there is a lot of variance on white as well. So you know, and things come into play. Like, fortunately, this vehicle was in great condition, taken well care of, but white has a tendency to fade depending on how long it's in the sun and things like that, right? So,
okay.
Yep.
So,
Just so the hood, this is just okay. The hood was something that I couldn't even see.
It was, it wasn't like it was demolished or sunk in or anything like that. It's an aluminum hood, and it had literally, from what I remember, it was like a crack almost right here on the lip there. Do you remember that?
Actually, it was on the inside on a little.
Where it was, kind of like puckered up or something like that. Yeah. You're right.
Okay.
Yeah, the insurance company. I mean, I couldn't see it or feel it. But these guys replace everything when they do something.
Yeah. Well, Kyle, also I wanted to make note that your facility here is unique in that you guys have the backing, factory backing from so many different manufacturers, including Porsche.
Yes.
And so you guys do it, and you do it right.
Sure.
And that's why people bring their car from hours away, because you're not a typical body shop.
Right. So we currently service 5 Porsche dealers right now.
Okay.
So, and then our certification list continues to grow. Obviously, there's been a significant push on the electrical vehicles as well. So we already are certified with Rivian and then also Lucid as well.
Okay.
So that list is going to continue to grow as those manufacturers grow and continue to push out different vehicles as well.
Well, I appreciate that you guys are here, because you know, when stuff happens, right?
It does,
and,
unfortunately.
And when that happens,
fortunately for us,
it's good for you. But for the guy who's really a car fanatic, he just doesn't want some guy and his brother to fix it. They want to have it done to factory specs, and you guys are certified to be by the Porsche of North America to be able to do this work. So we're glad we've got you over here.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for telling us about that. And I'm going to shoot a picture of your sign out here. K&M Collision. You don't believe it? Look at them online.
That's right.
Thank you so much.